addition to plugging numbers into functions, we can also plug a variable expression into a function. So let's see an example. F of x is 2x minus 3. We can take f of anything we feel like writing in the parentheses, and it'll be 2 times whatever we feel like writing in the parentheses minus 3. So if we want to write, for example, 3x minus 1 in the parentheses, that'll be 2 times 3x minus 1 minus 3. We can distribute. We'll get 6x minus 2 minus 3, which is 6x minus 5. It doesn't even need to be in terms of x. We could take f of pq minus 4. I don't know what p and q are. There's some new variables I just introduced for the sake of the exercise. But whatever they are, it would f of pq minus 4 would be 2 times pq minus 4 minus 3. Just the same way we would distribute. We would get 2 times pq minus 8 minus 3. So 2 times pq minus 11. I'm going to give you one of these to try as well. I'm going to say, let g of x be 1/2 x minus 5. Try to find g of x squared minus 4 and g of ab plus c. Pause the video and try this now. Okay, well, g of anything is 1/2 that thing minus 5. In this case, the anything is x squared minus 4. So distributing, I'll get 1/2 x squared minus 2 minus 5, which will be 1/2 x squared minus 7. And that's it. Down here, g of ab plus c, well, still, g of anything is 1/2 of the anything minus 5. In this case, the anything is ab plus c. So now, just like before, we distribute, and we'll get 1/2 ab plus 1/2 c minus 5. And now I notice there are no like terms I can combine, so I'm actually finished.